Hello everyone, my name is Maris Kamalani and PAM 2351110S. I'm from Management 23G. Here I will make a leadership assessment video with material entitled Leadership Behavior. So enjoy watching to my video guys. Introduction. Leadership is a fundamental aspect of any organization that determines direction and success in achieve shared goals. A leader is not only expected to possess vision, but also to exhibit appropriate behavior aligned with the situation and the characteristic of their team members. Therefore, understanding leadership behavior is essential to grasp how a leader action, style, and approach can influence the effectiveness of a team and the overall organization. Definition of leadership behavior. Leadership behavior refers to the set of action and interaction patterns set by a leader to influence, direct, and motivate individuals of groups within an organization to achieve attainable goals. This behavior includes aspects such as communication, decision-making, conflict management, task delegation, and the provision of rewards or penalty. Theory of leadership behavior. Number 1, Ohio State Study. The study identified two key dimensions of leadership. Number 1, consideration the extent to which leaders hold on care for the well-being, feelings, and interpersonal relationship of subordinates. 2, entity structure. The degree to which leaders define roles, set goals, and clarify text to achieve objects. These two dimensions can be combined into for possible leadership behavior. High-low, low-high, and low-low. 2, University of Michigan study. Focusing on time-effective research found two types of leadership. Employee centered. Leaders focus on personal development and interpersonal relationships. Job centered. Leaders emphasize task completion and active performance target. 3, the managerial grade. This model presents 5 leadership styles based on 2 axes. Confirm for people, the extent to which a leader values the member well-being. Concurrent for production, the extent to which a leader provides output and task performance. The ideal style in team management. Hicks concurrent for both people and production. 4, contingency and situational theories. Although not pure behavioral, this theory states the effective leadership behavior depends on the situation. For example, Fiedler contingency model, Hersey and Blanchard situation leadership theory. Next type of leadership behavior. Democratic leadership. Leader and participation, listen to team input and build consensus in decision making. 2, authoritarian leadership. Leadership make decisions independently and exert high control over team activities, often effective during crisis. 3, laissez-faire leadership. Leadership given their team full freedom to make decisions with minimal intervention. 4, transformational leadership. Leadership inspired change through a complement vision, charisma, and motivation. They foster innovation and individual development. 5. Transactional leadership, based on system of rewards and punishment style in effective instruction environments with clear objective. Next factor influencing leader behavior. Number 1, leader personality. For instance, extrovert leaders tend to be more communicative and open. 2. Experience and educational background. Experienced leaders are actually more flexible in behavior. 3. Organization culture. A collaborative environment requires inclusive leadership behavior. 4. Characteristic of subordinates. A mature team might work well with a delegative style. 5. Organizational context and situation, including time pressure, crisis, or structural change. Next, impacts of leadership behavior on organization. Effective leadership behavior significant affect multiple organization aspects such as productivity, job satisfaction, organizational commitment, innovation, adaptability. Extreme of leadership behavior in practice. Number 1, in business. Apple CEO Tim Cook is known for this democratic leadership style, emphasizing collaboration and work ethics. 2. In education. A school principal acting transformational leadership can inspire teachers and students by building a shared vision of education excellence. 3. In government. Responsive and communicative societal leadership daring display protective and empathic leadership behavior. Okay, let's conclusion. Leadership behavior is a vital element that determines how effectively a leader can influence a team organization. Understanding various style, theory, and influencing factors allow individual and organization to develop adaptive and relevant leadership models. An effective leader is not someone who understands theory but can also apply in the real life situation by considering the dynamics for the team and the organization environment. Okay, well, that's all I can say. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.